If you've been looking for a long, beautiful, layered style, then TressAllure Blaze might just be the ticket for you. I am going to review her now in the color Sunset Glow, which I
just can't even get enough of.
So if that's what you're looking for, then we're gonna get right to it. Hi, I'm Tia. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and hitting the bell. If you have, you're my doll baby. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so today I have this gorgeous style from TressAllure. I'm so excited. I never would have thought to try this color, and I'm so glad that I did. So let me give you the deets. This wig is TressAllure Blaze, and this color right here is the color Sunset Glow. The color is so stunning. It's got your auburns in there. It's got these highlights. It's got the low lights with the browns. You got this sort of reddish burgundy tones. It is just amazing. So let me give you some deets on Blaze. Blaze is a long wig. It's got these light layered. It does have a lace front and a monofilament top construction. I'll show you on this one, the cap construction. This is in the color Dark Amber HL, which is also quite stunning. But you can see that she does have the hand-tied lace front right there, and then also this monofilament, and there's such an area of monofilament to move it around. So you know, you could have it be a center part, left, right, like whatever you really want. You have a lot of area to work with. She also has a rest of the cap is wefted, so it's really going to give you some nice airflow. She has adjustable straps, which are the straps. Well, she comes in an average cap. For me personally, my measurements is I'm 21.5 circumference. This is a very comfortable wig. There is some wiggle room with this. I don't know that it would go, you know, if you're in that 23-inch size. I'm not sure how comfortable it would be, but there is definitely some room to move. This is a straight layered wig. There is not really any like texture to it. It's shiny, but it's shiny in that healthy hair type of way. It says that the measurement is the front, it's 10 inches, the side, it's 15.25 inches, the crown is 15.25 inches, and it's 15 inches at the nape. My length of my face is about 8.25 inches long from hairline to the chin. Okay, it's a very light wig. I mean, it's 5.1 ounces. I mean, look how cute. I mean,
look how adorable.
The styling options for this are endless. I think it's so gorgeous. I will include some pictures of what she looks like outside in the natural sun. But let's go ahead and look at her from the back. Yeah, I mean, the layers are just so beautiful. I mean, this is definitely like my kind of style. It reminds me a lot of Picture Perfect. It just the longer version of Picture Perfect, which I have reviewed in one of my favorite colors, which is three-tone brown with gray. This is Miss Blaze in Sunset Glow. I think she is so pretty, and definitely a style that I would want to scoop up in a lot of colors. So that's what I have for you for this review.